I think that you're never really 100% ready to invest in real estate or just jump in it. You have to find this deep internal motivation to want to succeed and maybe be absolutely financially free and maybe have something somewhat of a legacy that you can leave to your kids, that you can grow with. I think that most people make the mistake of thinking that whoever invests in real estate, it was easy for them. Most deals are challenging. It is not just like get your down payment and go invest in real estate. You will have challenges. However, if you do it right and you find your deep internal motivation for financial freedom and how you want to change your family's legacy and how you want to be able to pay for your kids and your family to travel and do all these things, then you find yourself getting ready to get in the game of investing in real estate and changing you and your family's future. It's not easy, but most investors that I know that get into it and that do it right, a lot of them end up staying investors. That means they don't get out and go start doing something else. They just keep growing their investment portfolios until those portfolios are able to pay for the best lifestyle possible for you and your family. If you're ready to get started,